The ENS building is the second oldest building on campus and houses faculty offices and several teaching and research laboratories. The Cash Exercise Physiology Laboratory is an approximately 2,000 square foot facility that is divided into 8 rooms and is used for both teaching and research purposes. Approximately 15 sections of undergraduate exercise physiology laboratory classes are held in this space, in addition to some graduate level classes. This laboratory contains several large treadmills, cycloergometers, metabolic measurement systems, an environmental chamber, hydrostatic weighing tank, and an exercise biochemistry room. Doctors Buono, Cannon, and Kressler conduct research in this laboratory. The Neuromechanics and Neuroplasticity Laboratory is a 579 square foot facility with equipment for electrophysiological measurements, virtual reality simulators, and robotics. This laboratory houses 2D and 3D virtual reality systems and a driving simulator to study functional transfer of motor skills. This laboratory is directed by Dr. Simba Wija, a faculty member in the Doctor of Physical Therapy program. The Applied Sensory Motor Laboratory is a 470 square foot facility. This laboratory has equipment needed to assess surface and intramuscular electromyography and peripheral nerve stimulation. These measures allow the study of psychomotor responses to stress and pain in both healthy individuals and in individuals with chronic pain disorders. This laboratory is directed by Dr. Katrina Malouf, a faculty member in the Doctor of Physical Therapy program. The Physical Activity and Behavioral Nutrition Laboratory is 228 square feet and is used for physical activity measurement and data collection training, accelerometer data analysis, interviews, graduate seminars, and experimental and computer-based work. Dr. Amanda McLean leads behavioral nutrition research in this laboratory. The ENS Annex is located just behind the ENS building and houses both teaching and research laboratories. The Athletic Training Room is a 1,279 square foot space equipped with dual-use treatment tables and supplies necessary for teaching athletic training techniques. The Clinical Nutrition and Physiological Sciences Laboratory is a 2,283 square foot shared research space designed for clinical and physiological testing. The laboratory is subdivided into 2 rooms to allow for simultaneous testing using various equipment. This laboratory has a bod pod, load cycloergometers, running and cycling treadmills, several metabolic measurement systems, a body box for thoracic gas volume measurements, blood collection stations, breath hydrogen and methane analyzers, and cubicles for assessment of feeding studies and cognition responses. Doctors Mike Buono, Dan Cannon, Myung Hong, Shirin Hushmand, Mark Kern, and Johan Kressler conduct research in this laboratory. The Biomechanics Laboratory is a 1,673 square foot space that is subdivided into 5 separate smaller laboratory sites. The Running and Sports Injury Prevention Research Laboratory is directed by Dr. Mitch Rao, a faculty member in the Doctor of Physical Therapy program. Dr. Sean O'Connor directs the adjacent biomechanics research space. This lab is equipped with an 8-camera motion analysis system, dual integrated force plates, a force measuring treadmill, a virtual reality system, wireless electromyography, and an ultrasound system to assess flow-mediated dilation. Foods and Nutrition faculty Drs. Myung Hong, Shirin Hushmand, and Mark Kern conduct research studies in the other laboratory sites within this facility. The facility is equipped with a DEXA instrument to assess bone densitometry and body composition, and with peripheral quantitative computerized tomography. Other laboratory sites within this facility are used for strength assessment, blood analysis, and cognitive function testing. The West Commons building houses a 1,274 square foot foods and nutrition lab. The space consists of a large kitchen designed for both teaching and research. It serves as a food preparation setting for the introductory food science course, and researchers also use it as a metabolic kitchen to prepare meals for research participants. Across the hall is a technician room for food and equipment storage, as well as for prepping and portioning study foods for research. Several foods and nutrition laboratories are located in the PSFA building. These laboratories provide a place for faculty and students to conduct foods and nutrition research that ranges from basic to applied sciences. These laboratories accommodate a variety of experimental techniques to study molecular and physiological effects of nutritional variables in cell culture, animal, and human models. Areas are designed for molecular work, biochemistry, mineral analysis, food analysis, and sensory evaluation. PSFA 416 includes a suite of 4 labs with capacity for food and biological sample processing, analyses of macronutrients and texture, as well as a chromatography lab. PSFA 424 is a metabolic kitchen used for preparation of animal diets, food for human subjects, and development of novel food products. PSFA 428 is a sensory evaluation laboratory equipped with individual cubicles for sensory testing, as well as an olfactometer for specialized testing of olfaction. PSFA 401 includes technical instruments used for analyses of biomedical samples. PSFA 471 primarily houses molecular biology instruments as well as an isotope ratio mass spectrometer. PSFA 407 is a cell culture laboratory. Drs. Surbi Bhutani, Mi-Young Hong, Shirin Hushmand, Mark Kern, and Chanchi Liu conduct research in these laboratories. Multiple teaching and research laboratories are located in Peterson Gym. The Adaptive Fitness Clinic is a 4,397 square foot facility composed of 3 rooms with specialized equipment designed to support individuals with physical and neurological disabilities. This facility is used to teach between 15 to 20 sections each semester of an adaptive fitness clinic course that is required of all kinesiology majors. In some semesters, over 170 clients with physical and neurological disabilities from the community visit the clinic. Students work directly with these clients to obtain hands-on experience, which substantially diversifies the experiential opportunities for many students. PG 1520 is a 1,576 square foot L-shaped teaching space for the Doctor of Physical Therapy program located in Peterson Gym. The Pelvic Health and Rehabilitation Laboratory is located in Peterson Gym. This is a 480 square foot laboratory equipped with ultrasound imaging equipment, biofeedback, and devices for measuring pelvic muscle strength and function. This laboratory is directed by Dr. Lori Tuttle, a faculty member in the Doctor of Physical Therapy program. PG 241 is a 4,550 square foot teaching gym located in Peterson Gym. Approximately half of the gym floor is covered with rubber flooring and contains resistance training equipment and open space for practicing Olympic lifts. The other side of the gym is open gym space, which is used for multiple classes. This space is also used for some research purposes. PG 174 is a 1,121 square foot teaching space for the Doctor of Physical Therapy program located in Peterson Gym. The Rehabilitation Biomechanics Laboratory is a 1,051 square foot laboratory that includes a dedicated space for an integrated motion capture system with 16 high-resolution cameras, 5 integrated force platforms, and a 16-channel wireless electromyography and inertial measurement system. Portable sensors for kinematic assessment outside the laboratory are housed here. For the study of overground walking, the laboratory is equipped with an exobionic suit, a wearable robot that allows those with paralysis or weakness to stand and walk, with full weight bearing and reciprocal gait. This laboratory is co-directed by Drs. Antoinette Domingo and Sarah Gumbato, faculty members in the Doctor of Physical Therapy program. ENS physical activity classes are taught in the Aztec Recreation Center, Peterson Gym, and at Mission Bay Aquatic Center. More than 100 sections of physical activity courses are offered each semester, with 50 sections of aquatic-based courses like sailing, surfing, stand-up paddling, paddleboard yoga, and kayaking offered at Mission Bay Aquatic Center.